Hey everybody, it's Jason. Welcome to Hub Lights. Hub Lights is our new series where we shine the light on industry professionals and learn about their journey into the collision repair industry. In addition to my role here at Collision Hub, I have another role that means a lot to me. I've been involved with SkillsUSA for nearly 30 years, and for the past 23 years, I've been a member of their National Collision Repair Technology Committee. And this year, I fulfilled a lifelong dream of standing on the stage and welcoming this year's contestants as the technical chair for the competition. I also had the chance to stand for the first time on the awards stage in front of thousands of contestants, delegates, advisors, and business industry leaders to hang gold, silver, and bronze medals around the necks of our high school and college winners. One of those winners was our college gold medalist, Olivia Peterson from Illinois. When we found out about Olivia's unique background, we had to set up a meeting with her and talk to her. In addition to her gold medal performance at this year's competition, Olivia's been awarded scholarships from the Collision Repair Education Foundation in conjunction with Gerber Collision and Glass, and from schools in Illinois and Ohio. She's also a talented performance musician and has not one, but 2 master's degrees. A couple of weeks ago, I caught up with Olivia at her employer, Gerber Collision and Glass, at their repair facility in Crystal Lake, Illinois.
I'm Olivia Peterson, and I was the winner of the SkillsUSA National Competition in post-secondary collision repair. These are the best students in the country in their fields. It was obvious that they put a lot of time and effort into organizing it and making sure that we were all doing the sorts of things that we would be expected to do any day in the shop with the most current technology, the best products, all those wonderful sponsors that they get who are able to come in and let us use their equipment. It really just replicated everything that we would need to do, and it was a very good representation of what it would be like in the job, and getting to put my skills to the test and show what I can do was also very amazing, and it was just an incredible experience. So I'm just a woman of many interests to start off, but a lot of it has to do with just the 2 pathways that my parents took. My mom was a music teacher, my dad was a machinist and kind of self-taught gearhead. So he always, raised me around cars from when I was little. He would take me to, classic car shows and stuff like that, and I fell in love with them. But I originally just went down my mom's path with music and tried to make a career out of that. While I was doing that, I found my way working into a library, just kind of make ends meet. I liked that. I climbed the ladder as high as I could without having a degree, and got the degree, and then realized maybe this isn't for me either. And around the time that I was getting that second master's, I really wanted to start learning more about cars on my own. I would always work on them with my dad, but I always had kind of more like the flashlight holder role. And I wanted to be able to fix cars like he did so that I wouldn't have to be, reliant on a mechanic shop all the time. And I really wanted to understand them. So being a librarian at the time, I started doing my own research. While I was doing that, I stumbled across some statistics about how few women there are in the industry. And it really surprised me, because the way that my dad raised me, it seemed like such a normal thing for women to be interested in cars. So to see that it was, I think at the time I read it, it was something like 1.8% or something of the auto industry was female, I was like, we should change that. So all of a sudden, my desire to just want to know more about cars became almost like a need. I said, I need to do this. And I know a lot of people look at me and go, oh, you jump careers all the time, what's keeping you in this one? And it's because I finally feel like I have a purpose. It's not just something that I love to do, but I go out there every day representing women and proving that we can find our own place in this male-dominated field. And that drives me every single day that I do this work. Honestly, I feel like I'm just another tech, which is exactly what I was hoping I would feel like. My dream is for us to one day, reach a point where there's nothing unusual about there being women out on the shop floor. I was fortunate to end up somewhere where everybody was so welcoming to me. And they, again, didn't really make it seem like it was that big of a deal that I was a woman who wanted to do this. And that really helped me feel comfortable and not feel like I was some strange outlier, some new oddity or something like that. I feel like I'm another tech out there, and I'm treated like another tech, and that's exactly what I would ask for. Always be seeking out people who know more than you and listen to them. And don't shy away from any difficult jobs, because those are the sorts of things where you're really going to be learning. Don't be intimidated by being potentially the only woman in the shop. Let your skills and your knowledge speak for themselves, and you will find acceptance.
Congratulations, Olivia, on your many accomplishments. We're looking forward to following your promising career as you continue to grow and share your passion and expertise with future technicians. We've all taken different paths to the roles that we're in now, but we're all connected by the roles that we play, and I think that's pretty awesome. The team here at Collision Hub knows there are a lot of other unique, interesting, and often heartfelt journeys that have shaped careers in our industry. If you've got a story you'd like to share about your journey, we'd love to hear from you, and maybe you can be featured in an upcoming episode of Hub Lights.